Hello students, welcome to SJC Institute. Today I will show you how to install the SJC GoLive software on your Windows laptop. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Go to your device storage. Open the downloads folder where you will find the file named as SJC GoLive. Step 2. Double click on the file. You will get a pop-up that is, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Click on yes. Now the setup window will open. Click on next. Again click on next. Now you will get an option to install. Click on install. We will wait to installation completion. Once the installation is complete, you will see completing the SJC GoLive setup wizard. Click on finish. And that's it. The SJC GoLive software is now installed on your Windows laptop and ready to use. You will find this software on your desktop screen. Here it is. So that's it for now. Thank you and happy learning.